Hello, everybody. Hope you're all doing amazing because I am certainly not. अभी तक I think the entire country knows कि our CBSE class 12th results have been out today. And I have my result in front of me that I'm not showing. But today I was not expecting for the results to be out at all. First of all, I literally thought I'm going to film a reaction video of mine. So before I actually get into the video, this is important, okay? Because I wanted to film this reaction video ever since I was in 8th standard. But then 10th thing happened. And then all of a sudden, our ICSE results were also out like on one particular day. And I couldn't really film it because I wasn't ready. But today, I mean, this time in 12th, I was like, no matter whatever happens, I have to film this reaction video. But basically, I was not expecting the results to be out today on 13th. I was like, maybe it can be out on 15th. And my teacher had also told me that it will be out on 15th. So I was very much sure that कुछ भी हो जाए 15 से पहले तो नहीं आ रहा है. But what happens today? At around 12 or something, I checked my phone and my teacher's message I see, and she's like, results are out. And that moment, I'm like, that moment, bhai, camera, ye, phone, everything gaya bhaad mein, open your laptop, check your result. So, what the result is about. See, I'm being very honest. Chemistry में I was expecting kind of 1-2 marks कम, but I think manage हो गया. Chemistry में I've got okay. English में तो it's fine. Physics में we all know what a tragedy physics was for all of us. Like that day, I can never forget that day. In fact, I'll also upload that day's experience because I have that in recording with me, and I was waiting for the results to be out. कि कब result बाहर होगा, I'll be uploading that. So now that I have the result and उस दिन exam के बाद के expectations, I'm going to be uploading that. Guys, the real tragedy is maths. I mean, maths has literally spoiled the whole result. Okay, fine. So, coming back to the point. See, first of all, my board, before I really reveal everything, I need to make a talk time thing, okay? Because, so, I have had a very weird board exam experience as far as CBSE ka board exam is considered. Now, why I say that? Because there's not been a single day when I've not made a fool out of myself in front of the whole class, in front of all the external invigilators. I'll tell you how. Okay, छोड़ो पहले result ही बता देते हैं because come on यार, I'm like I don't have patience. Anyways, today तो it's going to be a अच्छा खासा video because आज तो upload करना है चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, क्योंकि अभी 1 घंटा बीत जाएगा, then I'll get over this भूत of uploading videos, फिर I'm doing nothing. तो let's talk about सबसे पहले English. English में I've got 78 in theory and 20 in practical. So it comes out to be a 98, which is I think okay. But honestly, now don't judge me on comment section कि she's overacting and everything, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. But honestly, I was expecting 100. क्योंकि भाई इंग्लिश पेपर में कोई सवाल ही नहीं था जो I was just expecting 100. See, I'm not bragging or anything, but I think अगर पेपर कभी रिवील हुआ है कुछ भी, somehow we'll get to see the paper. Everybody is saying it will be out uploaded. I will definitely find out कि कहाँ मेरा 2 नंबर कटा है, because I remember exactly कटा होगा तो फॉर्मेट में कटा होगा, because I don't remember things anyways. अच्छा है भाई अच्छा है. Anyways, physics. We know what tragedy this paper was. All of us are well aware of कितना tragic day था, क्या था. भाई, can I stop playing with my hair? All of us know very well कि physics कैसा था, क्या था. तो physics में practical में 30, theory देखो हम just टाल रहे, पता है हम. Anyways, theory में it's 57. So all over it comes out to be 87. I am happy. No, I am literally happy because physics exam के दिन I was crying. I was like ये क्या हो गया? I mean, I was like भाई ये तो एकदम कहीं से एकदम कुछ तो ऐसा हुआ कि पता नहीं, मतलब I was like, anyways, physics में it's 87. Chemistry, my all-time favorite subject. Practical में 33, theory में 66, comes out to be 96. So I am so happy, bro. Organic chemistry supremacy. I love organic chemistry. I love chemistry. I hate inorganic chemistry. Basically जो 4 marks कटा है वो inorganic में कटा है. I know it very well. क्योंकि वो कुछ D block में कटा है. मेरे को पता है कुछ क्रोमियम कुछ फलाना ढिमकाने से क्वेश्चन था, and I was like, oh, who will write it? I was lazy enough to actually think. मतलब मेरे से जितना सोचा गया I thought about it, but last में हम नहीं लिखे. अब let it be whatever it is. तो मतलब chemistry में I know I've lost marks in the D block question. Who cares? Anyways. Coming to maths. You really think कि हम बता देंगे इतने अच्छे से maths का marks? देखो guys, maths में practical में 20 है Before I speak anything on maths examination, one thing is for sure. On the day of maths examination, there like a I did have something very bad that had happened with me. Okay. So that's a story time thing. I am not making excuses. No, I take the fact that maths I scored very bad. In fact, it's the lowest. It's not just the lowest in this board examination, but in every board exam that I've given. Of course, by 10th mein jitna tha, 12th mein jitna, it's like a huge difference. It's the crash point. तो मैथ्स अभी रहने देते हैं. फिजिकल एजुकेशन में इट्स 66 इन थियरी एंड प्रैक्टिकल में 28, तो टुगेदर इट कम्स आउट टू बी 94. नाउ I've got 28 in theory, 28 in practical. Yeah. So basically, physical education mates 94. I was expecting a 98. Because theory mein, I had made 3 mark ka mistake. That is very sure. I had made 3 mark ka mistake because I had literally checked my paper, like cross-checked after coming from the examination for like thrice, or I think even more than that. There's no point I'm not getting a 98 in physical education. But then I realized कि मेरे को practical में 2 marks कटा है. I am not happy with it. I'm not making any excuse, but I am literally not happy with this because my practical exam of, especially Viva of physical education, was so good. Like, it was legit the best. I can't even tell you. I had prepared yoga chapter. I was being asked on yoga chapter, and every single, like, we were divided into groups. And just because I gave so many answers, all the rest of the people in my group weren't asked any question. And all of us were marked on the basis of my answers. Like, back-to-back question aa rahe, back-to-back. I literally, pehla baat to yoga chapter prepare karna ही was a huge thing. ऊपर से no, but I think उसके बाद तारीफ वगैरह भी हुआ था PhD प्रैक्टिकल में, बट आई डोंट नो क्यों नहीं मिला. So I'm really, my PhD marks, I am legit not at all happy because भाई 98 एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे, 94 मिला है. मेरा मन किया तो हम डाल देंगे रीवैल्यूएशन में बिकॉज ब्रो आई एम जस्ट नॉट हैप्पी. 2 marks gone in the practical stuff and all that. At this point of time, knowing the fact that my Viva was so good, like legit PhD का Viva was so good. तो anyways उसमें marks कटा है. Coming back to maths. Maths में I've got the least actually. तो let's not reveal that, guys. Let's not reveal that. जो करना है कर लो, जितना गाली गलौज करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में, वट एवर यू हैव टू डू, यू फ्री टू डू, बट मैथ्स मार्क्स तुम नहीं बता रहे, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. ऑफिशियली माई 12th स्टैंडर्ड जस्ट कम्स टू एन एंड. सो आई एम काइंड ऑफ wanting to make a video like this क्योंकि 1 घंटा बीत गया तो पता नहीं शायद मेरा मन बदल जाए. तो yeah, it was nice. I think 11th 12th it was very much, see, now I know how to take setbacks because January attempt, April attempt, a board का result, ऐसा कुछ खास, nothing as such खास has really happened with me in a while after 10th. तो yeah, मतलब there are a lot of things, but the conclusion is I'm really happy for chemistry and English because I had just not studied English. Like for the whole 2 years I would just study English a day before my examination and I would do it. I was very much focused in chemistry. मतलब केमिस्ट्री तो जी जान लगा के भाई केमिस्ट्री ही है जो है, मतलब केमिस्ट्री से अच्छा, केमिस्ट्री से सॉलिड कुछ नहीं है. मतलब आई वॉज सो मच केमिस्ट्री ऑब्सेस्ड फॉर द पास्ट 2 years and I regret for neglecting other subjects so much. Physical education also, basically after my 28th January shift 1 JEE main of course, I was like, and especially after the result I was like भाई कुछ नहीं हो रहा है भाई, let's do boards पे up करते हैं. तो उसके I think on 17th we had our PhD का exam and I was just not at all prepared. In fact, I just had 4 to 5 days for my physical education, okay, and I was like I'm not at all prepared. मतलब of course जितना we used to study in 10th and जितना board oriented we were in 10th कि मतलब 98-99% आ रहा है, वैसा 12th में तो of course it was not the हाल because 2 years I didn't of course study for it. मतलब boards के लिए तो I studied in the last not even the last month. I think I literally had 19 to 20 days exact and I was like जो करना है इसमें करना है. Physics, oh my god, it was such a tragedy, I can't even tell you. मतलब I still remember I cried so bad after my physics exam. Like physics was such a tragedy, but at least I got 87, so I'm happy because I was not even expecting to pass in physics. So I think if you're a junior, like maybe who's just entered into this, or maybe who's just started, or maybe who's just who's just done with standard 10th, or who's now in 12th or whatever it is, please study physics. So to all the people watching it, if you're a junior, if you're in 12th right now or in 10th, I mean, sorry, you're just done with your 10th standard, I think, and preparing for JEE, of course. Um, no, I think it's very important to be able to manage both JEE and boards at the same time, and don't really segregate. Like, one thing that I'll have to say after having gone through these 2 terrible years of my life, still going, anyways, don't really segregate things like JEE ka pad rahe ya board ka pad rahe. Just go on studying. That's it. Even if you don't feel like studying, which would happen most of the times, because you'll never know कि करना क्या है. मतलब, because now talking about chemistry, I think for the past 2 years, chemistry has been my favorite subject. I think it's been the most favorite subject, especially when I was in 12th. I was a chemistry driven person. I think I was like, no matter what, I I never studied any subject other than chemistry. I'm being very honest, because I enjoyed it so much, and thanks to my teachers in 11th. So my teachers in 11th had made like, for example, organic chemistry, and especially if you master chapters like GOC and hydrocarbons, and especially GOC, I think you will love the 12th chemistry, whether it's the first chapter or whether it's the alcohol, ether, phenol, or it's the aldehyde ketones is a very traumatic chapter, I'm being very honest. So if you study that properly. Moreover, amines is also or like on a little bit of easier side. I'm not somebody who has a very strong hold on inorganic chemistry. Like, inorganic is not my cup of tea. I'm being very honest. Like, I seriously cannot study inorganic chemistry because I didn't like it. So even a day before my board examination, I was no band karo yaar isko. Even a day before my board examination, I was not studying or inorganic chemistry, because I was always somebody who would shift that. Yeah, I was always somebody who भाई बहुत धूप आ रहा है भाई. I was somebody who would always shift. भाई छोड़ दो यार, खोलिए तो. I was always somebody who would shift the inorganic chemistry to the end, and I was like, no matter what, I'm like, I didn't enjoy inorganic chemistry. That's it. Physical solutions, electrochemistry, and chemical kinetics. It's nice. I mean, it's very interesting. Moreover, it's something that will keep you engaged. So I think that's about chemistry. फिर क्या है? Maths. I think maths is a subject as of now. It, of course, does not only require the theory knowledge. The biggest mistake that I think I committed was I went on solving one chapter for so many days. Like, I'm being very honest. So I think that was it for my video. All of a sudden, I was speaking and I realized I am going on speaking and I need to stop now. बहुत धूप is also coming, but anyway, I was like, भाई बहुत बोल दिया, अब रुकना पड़ेगा, because I have so much to speak that I'll be uploading separate videos about everything. So if you want to watch out more videos in this channel and about how it's all been, because I literally have 2 saal to share with all of you. In fact, 10th also I want to share with all of you, like 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. I have a lot of things to speak, to share, just because I'm done with this school thing, and yeah. So if you really want to watch such videos, you can just comment. Pata nahi I'll upload this or not, because yeah, whatever. If you want to watch more of such videos, बताना ज़रूर. हमें बहुत खुशी होगी बताते हुए, I mean बनाते हुए. कोई नहीं, बहुत हो गया भाई, बहुत देर से बोल रहे हैं. चलो हम चले. हाँ, it's just that if you want to watch more videos, you can just tell me. भाई बार I'm opening and seeing my result कि marks बढ़ जाएगा, पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. Anyways, until next time, very soon.